Hi guys, Adrian here from Tradeology, and today I'm going to discuss with you in this short video how you can grow a small account. Every day I see people having a big problem with trading small accounts. Everyone wants to trade to make $1 million right away. But in reality, almost everyone starts small. Studies have shown that over 80% of traders lose their first account. So it's a good thing to start small. Okay, now let's talk about how to start trading your way up to a larger account. Before we start, I want you to promise me something. Stop counting pips. They don't really mean much in trading. Saying you made 1,000 pips and made $100, $1,000 or $10,000 is okay, but I want you to count your profit in percentage because that's what really matters. For you to grow your account to the level you want, you need to define an ideal risk per trade for each of your trades. This is the percentage of your total account that you will use from now until you retire, essentially, right? I strongly suggest not to use big amounts for small accounts. Somewhere between 2 to 3% of your account size per trade will be more than sufficient. At first, this may not sound like much, but ask yourself this. If you put up to 30 to 40% risk per trade, how many times do you have to lose until your account is wiped out completely? 4 to 5 trades maybe? And remember, in trading, there will always be losses, so you need to act smart. A lot of people I talked to over the years told me this: I risk 50% of my account per trade, but my account is small, so who cares? Really? Who cares? That's called gambling, my friend, not trading. Our goal at Tradeology is to make you profitable. So if you have the idea of trading as being gambling, I have to say, stop trading. Trading is a job, a good job, a likable job, and one that we really aim to inspire to. But like any other in the world, you need to pay attention to your risk. Now, let me show you why I'm fine with risking just 2% for my trades and smaller accounts per trade. Basically, each winning trade could make me up to 6% back. So the second thing you need to learn is how to be selective in your trading. You need to define one more thing to become successful, and that is a minimum risk to reward or RR ratio. Ideally, that's going to be up to 1 to 3. So if you are risking 2% per trade on a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, you are looking to get back at least 6%. 1 to 3 risk reward gives you the ability to make money even if you have just 50% or less winning rate. Let's do quick math for 10 trades, right? 5 trades are in profit at 30% overall, and we have 5 trades in a loss at negative 10%. That in total gives us a net gain of 20%. Now, a final point that will help you in this journey to grow a larger account is trying to put 50% of your monthly profit aside on another account every month. I don't care how much money you made, take 50% and move it to another account. This second account you can trade, but don't move money from there, of course, if you don't need to. And you'll see that at the end of 1 year, you'll have more trading capital than you could have imagined when you first started. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel below to receive notifications so whenever a new video is released you don't miss any. And again, for a free system, also check out our link in that description below.